In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML in a Notion page. First, open Notion in your web browser or desktop app and sign in to your Workspace. Give the app a moment to load your pages and databases. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the embed to live so everything ends up in the right place. Next, go to the specific page where you want the embed to appear. This can be a regular page, a page inside a database, or even a section within a longer document. Scroll to the spot where the embed should sit and hover your mouse to reveal the small plus icon to the left of the line. Click the plus to open the block menu, then search for embed. Select the embed block to add it to your page. You can also start typing to place your cursor, then paste directly. Notion will often convert what you paste into the right block automatically. When the embed block is ready, paste your HTML embed code or a shareable link from the service you're using. Notion works best with clean, secure embed links from trusted platforms. If you're working with a standard iframe or snippet, make sure it's supported or available through a shareable URL. Many tools offer a public embed link specifically for this purpose. If the snippet doesn't load, try using the service's share link instead, or publish your content to a platform that provides an embeddable URL. After you paste, give it a second to load. Notion will pull in a preview so you can confirm it looks right. Once the content appears, you can fine-tune the layout. Drag the handles on the sides of the embed to resize it, or turn on full width for a spacious look. You can click and drag the 6-dot handle to move the embed block up or down the page, and you can add text above or below to provide context for your viewers or teammates. If you see a message that the content can't be embedded, check that the link is accessible and that the source allows embedding. Some sites restrict embeds to protect content, and private or unshared links may not load. A quick refresh or paste try again often resolves minor hiccups. And that's it. Your content is now embedded right inside your Notion page. You've opened Notion, navigated to your page, added an embed block using the plus icon, pasted your code or link, and confirmed the preview. Save your changes by simply clicking away, and you're done.